Good morning. As you can see, I've got my bed head hair. Well, it's supposed to be like that, it's supposed to be spiky. And I want to do my lashes, but I want to show you today that out of your makeup kit, you don't need that. You need this. This, as long as you've got this directional nozzle, helps curl your eyelashes. And I'll show you. Have a look at this eye. You can also see that I've got very little in the way of eyelashes. Terrible, isn't it? And here we go. First we put the transplanting gel on, and you do get my makeup face, so enjoy. This product cannot be, it's impossible to put in words really how wonderful it is. Everybody that's tried it, they're converted. Yes, it's £23, but eyelash extensions are £50 maybe, with every couple of weeks having infills. This, you do it when you want. You could wear your regular makeup when you want. You could put this on when you want. And it's £23, which is on a par with things like Christian Dior and Yves Saint Laurent and Clarins. Actually, it's not a bad price at all when you start to break it down. So, right, this is the last coat of transplanting gel that I'm going to put on. And then I'm going to use my hairdryer to dry it and curl it. Ready for the transformation? Da, 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 da. Not too high, because obviously you burn your eye otherwise, but on a medium heat. Just direct it at your eyelashes, and then you'll see that they start to curl. It does look silly, I know, but doesn't matter. You get the finished effect and desired effect. That's good. Okay, now on number one. Can you see? They're beginning to curl. You can see I've actually got lashes now, look, too. Right, okay, let's do number three. I've already done this eye here, so number two. Here goes transplanting gel. I actually tried doing my bottom lashes with it yesterday, because they're quite strange, aren't they, to get to? Not always the easiest thing. And I'm a bit clumsy when it comes to putting it on, but I thought, no, I'll give it a go. And I did, and it actually looked really nice. It really, really opened up the eye and made my lashes again look fuller. Here goes the fibres. Here comes the transplanting gel. You always need them open, because the transplanting gel does dry very quickly. So make sure that you've got both of your wands open. And here we go again. This is number two. Yep, so you can see now on number two that they've curled. That side I'd already done. Now I only tend to put 3 coats on maximum. My hair's gone funny again, hasn't it? Yeah, 3 coats maximum I do, purely because of my age. I think I could go on and layer them, but I won't be able to get my glasses on, so oh my. Right, this is the third one. Third and last for me. So there goes your transplanting gel. And also what I find when you're using the hairdryer is that they don't stick together, which is a Another double whammy bonus, isn't it? Really? There's the fibres. There we go on that. And I should say I'm not going out today, so I'm not going to put any other makeup on except my eyes, because I want people to see my eyes if I answer the door or anything. But it's a housework day today, so that's exciting. Right, that's the third and last coat of transplanting gel, and my last blast of the hairdryer. I'll make a coffee while you're waiting. Right, there you go. They're all done on a very fine, very fair. As you saw when I showed you the other eye, I've got very few eyelashes that show up. So to me, this is great. And I think I've proved you don't need one of those too. Anyway, have a good day. Bye bye.